Hey, I'm back, and this is going to be a video tutorial on graduation or prom night look. It's a very simple look. It has golden and brown eyeshadows and a simple pink lip, and hopefully you enjoy that. Congratulations and happy graduation, folks. Bye!
Start tayo sa BB cream. Try to find a BB cream with a very low SPF and PA para during picture taking, hindi masyado maliwanag yung reflection niya sa camera. Try to find a sponge na ganito para pang spread ng BB cream sa mukha ninyo. Ganitong motion ang pag-apply ng BB cream if you're going to use a sponge. Otherwise, just use your hands. Just make sure na well-blended siya, especially around your eyes. Sumunod naman is your concealer. I prefer to use liquid concealer like this one para madali siyang i-spread out and i-blend. Ganito rin yung paggamit sa kanya using this baby puff from Etude House. So, kaya niya yung mga corners ng mata at corners ng ilong. Kaya rin niya yung mga peklat ko, gaya niyan. Yeah, make sure na blended mabuti. Tapos, isa-set nyo na yung liquid products with a setting powder compact like this. Patting motion lang ang gagamitin. Huwag yung super pahid sa mukha, ha? Patting motions only, especially on the parts where you have concealer. Make sure you do not erase the concealer you just applied. From here, we can apply our blush. This is from Eliana Cosmetics, and it's a light pink with some glow. Stippling motion lang ang pag-apply ng blush. That way, hindi masyado makapal para to avoid looking like a clown. They're very light lang talaga. Afterwards, I advise that you apply something of a highlighter. Just like here, in-apply ko lang yung highlighter right above my cheekbones. Talagang highlight lang. It's great for camera. Now for the eyes, I'm going to apply my Proof 10 Eye Primer, also from Etude House. This makes sure na your eyeshadows will last all night and hindi siya magki-crease. Now for the all-over lid color, just apply this nice light gold all over. So from the lash line, from the corner of your eyes to the lash line up to your brow bone. And then sa inner corner din, sa may lower lash line, you'll also apply that same light shade para may parang dramatic effect. The next shade is your mid-tone shade, and this one will go on the middle of your lid up to your crease, just like this one. So I started sa crease area para may konting depth sa eyes ko. Yan, blending away. Pero konti lang yung difference niya from the previous shade kanina. Now, dito na darating yung drama, yung smoky eyes. I'm going to use those dark shades sa mismong lid, the one closest to the lash line. Yan. To the outer corner of my eyes. Yung outer V na tinatawag. There. Smudge nyo lang yung colors na yan, combining the two shades. Because one is more matte and the other is more shiny. Para magkaroon ng parang 3D effect sa eyes ninyo. Now, once you're done with that, make sure it's well blended. Now, you blend the two shades kanina sa all over and sa middle shade para ma-blend out yung harsh lines. Make sure na hindi kita yung lines separating na mahalatang merong mga eyeshadows. Now, this one is for your lower lash line. Same shades pa rin kanina sa darker shade, yung dalawa. Tapos apply nyo lang parang eyeliner pero sa lower lash line. I prefer this kesa eyeliner mismo. Yan. Light lang. And then, here comes the eyeliner part. I'm using liquid liner. I start off mismo sa lash line. And then, hindi siya isang line. Talagang paunti-unti kong dinadraw yung line. Here, I'll show you how I do the wing liner. So, I start in the middle. And then, I draw out a line. Yung line na yan, parang kinoconnect ko lang yung lower lash line. Tapos, I make an imaginary line. And then, from there, hinahabaan ko na lang. Tapos, nagko-connect na lang ako ng panibagong line from my inner corner towards the outer line. So, yan. Parang pinapantay ko lang yung lower lash line to that flick. Yung parang wing. And then from here, eyebrows na. Ang turo sa akin, I start at the tail of the eyebrow. Kasi yan yung hindi nakikita. So, maganda na yun ang unahin, going inwards. Tapos yung shade na ginagamit ko is just 1 to 2 shades from my hair. And then, going inwards, yan na yung second shade sa eyebrow kit. Yan. Make sure mapantay nyo siya by combing the hairs together. Yan. Mascara time. Pero na-curl ko na yung lashes ko kanina. Lipstick. It's Orange Bloom para medyo light lang sa lips. Parang ang emphasis natin is yung sa eyes talaga. Okay. For the lip gloss, make sure you apply your lip gloss just in the middle of your lips. That way, when you spread it out, it stays near the center of your mouth instead of spreading out all over. And you're done. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you have questions, just leave them down below. Happy graduation, happy prom. Enjoy!
I wanna be sweet. 촉촉하니 나 빛이 나니 I wanna be sweet. 투명해져 언제까지나